Hi, this is Wayne Blau with another smart profit maximizing moment. It's Wednesday. We're first day of spring. Fantastic. Winter wasn't that bad in El Paso, but never is. But we're sun creatures, and it's nice to have the sun up. So it's one of the things I love. Except tax season, I'm in house. I'm inside more often than I'm outside. Today we're going to talk about how we can use special profit teams, special project action teams in order to massively increase profits. It's a tool I used quite a bit with my clients, and when I was at Magnolia Coca-Cola, I used it quite a bit and on my own for myself. But let me introduce myself a little better. My name is Wayne Belial. I'm the founder of a local CPA firm that specializes in working with small businesses. We help them do three things. We help them do their tax returns. We're in harvest time right now, which is, tax returns are due. So that's what we're mainly working on right now. Second thing we do is tax planning. We've saved our small business clients over $4.3 million in the last 3 years, all legally. We love our clients, but we're not sharing a cell with them, like I always say. And the third thing, which really is starting in May and going the rest of the year, is we help our clients make more money. We use the smart profit maximizing system to jumpstart them, but then we get them into a point where they start, improving their business. And that's kind of what special project team is, because as you use the smart profit system to jumpstart your business, and as you create your profit plan, you're going to identify if you're really working them. I haven't worked with anybody where we didn't come up with a list far longer than what we had the ability to do. So we put together a special project team. Now, in reality, think about it this way. What we're asking you to do is to spend 4 hours out of your busy week, every week, all right, to improve your business profits, to improve your business efficiency, to cut your costs, to increase your sales. It sounds easy, but let's think about it. 4 hours every week is hard to carve out for a lot of people. You're running a business. You have already 17 different hats. I'm asking you to add an 18th. Or however many hats you have. Trust me, you got a lot, all right? But I'm asking you to add that because think about what would happen if you spent 4 hours per week improving your business, all right? 4 hours per week for 50 weeks. I'm going to give you 2 weeks off because I've got a heart and I'm keeping the math simple. 4 times 50, 200 hours a year improving your business. Think about that. Do that for 5 years. You got 1,000 hours that you spent improving your business profits. All right. The project action teams is a way to multiply your abilities and to focus yourself on those items that have the biggest increase on your bottom lines if you were to finish them. Okay. Think about how far ahead you are over your competitors. I'm guaranteeing you that 99% of small business owners and 99% of your competitors just aren't doing that. Worse yet, imagine one of your competitors is doing that and you're not. Okay? This is serious. You really need to think about it, okay? When I was at Magnolia Coca-Cola, I was there for 6 years, except for my first year where I was cleaning things up and getting the right people in place. Every single year, my special project teams, I managed to improve efficiency enough where I could pull out 4 to 6 hours a week for a group of about half a dozen people to work on special projects. And our special projects teams saved our company more than the entire cost of our business, of our department. I had close to 30 some odd people, close to 40, 35, somewhere in there. Can't remember now, that was a while back. All right, but we have well over 30 people. All right, and we paid for our department every year. As a matter of fact, in 1 year we saved our business $10 million. And that was not a one-time shot. That was going to be recurring. All right, so it's important to keep improving your business. I've done it for myself. I sit down and I take a project every year. Now, to be honest about it, I can't do 4 hours a week during tax season and during certain periods of time. So I take it out and make up the time. Like I'll finish April 15th, take a few days off in the last week or two in April. I'm going to be sitting down and really pushing to get my work done. All right. To take a week or two and finish the project, and then I'll get into my 4 to 6 hours a week. All right. The purpose of the special the purpose of the special action team is not just to improve business. It is hard to improve your business amidst the chaos of running the day-to-day operations. The purpose is to not just improve your business, but to improve your profits. Think of Apple, by the way. Apple is always innovative. And the reason is they have teams out there that are their specific purpose is to improve their business, to create something new, to be a forerunner, to be a innovator, all right? So what are the keys to a special profit action team success are? One, identifying those projects that will have the most impact on your company's success. Look, if you sit down and go through the smart profit maximizing system and create your profit goal, you come up with a list of 10 to 15 items. Easy. I've run into that every place I've worked with somebody, okay? So the first thing you need to do is identify the project that will have the most impact on your company's success. This is obviously where the owner should start. Later, as the team gets used to the idea, they will start to recommend projects themselves. If you're by yourself, like I have been for a long time, don't make the mistake I made, all right? Get into a mastermind group. Get into a place where you can get a team of other entrepreneurs who are trying to grow their business to learn their problems, to bring their ideas to you, all right? Don't make that problem just because you're on your own. Setting aside some time weekly or monthly for the project team to meet and to work, this has to be scheduled to emphasize to yourself and to your team that it's important, that you attach importance to it. Next, choosing the right people to implement the project. This means that the employees who can offer the most to the project doesn't need to be the same people on every project. All right, and if you're by yourself, you might bring some other people in. All right, on an outsource like gig economy, that type of thing. This can help. Another advantage of the team is the ability to include employees from different departments. If you're in a larger company, this can help get the proper input, idea, and skills needed to complete the project. Don't be afraid to reach out beyond your department. After I started showing some success, it was easy for me to go to the sales manager saying, hey, this is what I'm thinking. I need some help. And they'd assign somebody to me, or go to the production and they do the same. Then the implementation, which is the key thing. Implementing a system to ensure action and completion. Notice I said implementing a system. You can manage systems, you can't really manage people. Delegation of tasks and responsibilities with consistent follow-up meetings, timelines, and deadlines are essential for a successful special project team. Look, even if you are a solopreneur, you can have a special project team. Do the work yourself, or better yet, hire a coach to help you. I'm going to have some time. I'm going to start in May pushing real hard. That's why I'm pushing through tax season to get a lot of this stuff done, so I'm not buried during the summer to do all the extensions, all right? Plus I got a better staff, so they're going to do a lot of the work. Key. That's going to free me up to do some coaching. You're going to keep your eyes open. You're going to see where we start talking about this, all right? Either way, I can all but guarantee, whether you do it yourself, hire a coach, or outsource it, I can all but guarantee that the increase in profits from having a special project team will far exceed the associated cost, including your time. Hey, until next time, this is Wayne Blau saying, let's make this our most profitable year ever. Thank you very much.